Good morning, dear students. Let's start our English class. Yesterday we have done chapter 1 sentences, and in sentences we have done what is a sentence and what is a phrase, and also we have done one exercise of phrases and sentences. Today we will learn about subject and predicate. What is subject and predicate? We will learn in this part of the chapter. So, first of all, I must tell you that every sentence that we speak or write consists of two parts. So, it consists of two parts. Any sentence which is complete, it is having two parts. First part is we must talk about some person or thing when we talk. Second part is we must say something about that person or thing. और उसके बारे में हम कुछ बात करेंगे. सबसे पहले हमारे पास कोई भी बात करने के लिए होती है तो उसके लिए हमारे पास या तो एक पर्सन होता है या और थिंग होती है, और वॉट एवर वी आर टॉकिंग इज अबाउट दैट पर्सन और थिंग, वी से समथिंग अबाउट दैट पर्सन और थिंग. सो इन अदर वर्ड्स वी मस्ट हैव a subject to talk about, and we must say or predicate something about that subject. Now in your book on page number 10 some examples are given. You can see in your book page number 10. Subject and predicate parts are divided. Birds fly. So subject is birds and predicate is they fly. Subject, second sentence is cows eat grass. So in this subject is cows and predicate is grass, eat grass. Next subject is the horse and the predicate is the horse is white. This is the full sentence. The horse is the subject and predicate is white. So last example which is given in your book is old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard. So in this full subject is old Mother Hubbard. This is the full name of one old lady, and predicate is went to the cupboard. So we can notice in this that the subject always talk about So we can see in subject part is having either a person or a thing, and predicate part is always having a verb. As we can see, fly, eat, is, went. So we can see there is one trick to see that what is the predicate. Always, mostly in the sentences where the verb is there, first of all find the verb, and where the verb is there then other part is that predicate. Some more examples I can tell you, as fire burns, as we have done in exercise number 1. So fire is the subject and burns is the predicate. The phone rang. The phone is the subject and rang is the predicate. Some more example, as you can frame your own self, are the sun rises in the east. The sun is the subject and rises in the east is the predicate. Now we will do this exercise. I am going to give you the image of this exercise. You want to do exercise number 2. One more thing I want to tell you, that the subject is the who or what in the sentence, and the predicate tells what the subject does. Some more examples I can tell you. The big green frog jumped across the log. So the big green frog is the subject and jumped across the log is the predicate. Next is my grandmother My grandmother wore a blue dress. So my grandmother is the subject and wore a blue dress is a predicate. So, but sometimes in any sentence, subject is coming afterwards and predicate is coming in the starting. We will do this exercise, then we can come across some sentences in which in some sentences subject is first and then the predicate, and in other sentences subject is in the middle and predicate on both the sides. Let's start the exercise number 2.